A birthday is a special day when we celebrate the day a person was born. It's a happy occasion filled with joy and fun. Firstly, people often have parties on their birthdays. They invite friends and family to celebrate with them. There are balloons, decorations, and a big cake with candles. When it's time to sing happy birthday, everyone gathers around the cake. The birthday person makes a wish and blows out the candles. It's so exciting. Secondly, birthdays also mean presents. People give gifts to the birthday boy or girl. It could be a toy, a book, or something they really like. Opening presents is one of the best parts of a birthday. Thirdly, let's not forget about birthday cards. People often send cards with nice messages to wish someone a happy birthday. The cards have pictures of cakes, balloons, or funny animals. It's a lovely way to show you care. Lastly, birthdays are a time for delicious food. There's usually a big meal with all the birthday person's favorite dishes. And of course, there's the yummy birthday cake. It's sweet and decorated with frosting, and maybe even sprinkles. In conclusion, birthdays are super fun and special. They're about celebrating life and making happy memories with the people we love. Whether it's your own birthday or someone else's, it's always a day to smile and have a great time.